What's up, guys? I got a fun episode for you today. I'm gonna teach my daughter how to ride a bike. I don't know how to feel about this. And then we're gonna go back to the house and I'm gonna show you Olivia's favorite omelet. She bugs me to make this for her every time we have mushrooms in the fridge and even when we don't have mushrooms. But yeah, I'm a little nervous about the whole bike riding thing, but I think we'll make it through it. She's tough. She bounces right back up. If she falls, she falls. Sorry, Livy.
Wow, that's exciting.
I haven't practiced on my bike yet, so we'll see how this goes. I'm nervous.
All right, we're gonna go ride.
Yeah,
Wish us luck. Get it, mommy. Oh God, oh God. Okay, she's good. Well, there you go. We're almost at the finish line.
There.
Feet down, feet down.
Sit down.
You gotta learn how you can't just jump off the bike and bail out like that. Oh God. It's a workout. How was your first ride?
Terrible. Terrible.
What do you mean terrible? I think you did pretty good.
It's terrible, all because of you.
I can't win.
What do you mean? That is terrible.
Alright, so that was fun. More of a workout than I expected. My back is killing me. We're gonna try it again tomorrow. She started to get it. Now we're on our way home. I'm gonna make her her favorite omelet. See you guys soon. The first part to the eggs is the mushrooms. Livy, can we have eggs for dinner? Is that a thing?
Yeah.
Can we do that? We can do it?
Yes, we can do it.
Are they your favorite eggs? You don't have to say because I'm asking.
Yeah, it's just like the best eggs.
It's the best eggs ever?
Yes, ever. Like, it's the best thing I've ever tasted.
And what should they do if they like the video?
Subscribe and make sure you give this a big thumbs up. Let's get on to the video.
I like it.
Okay, here. Look at that. No one over there, and it's coming right back.
What, the cheese?
Lucy, I'm gonna kick your ass.
ready. It's ready. Oh, you need that flavor.
That flavor.
That's the flavor.
That's the flavor.
Oh
Baby.
my God.
Can we eat it like we did last
Oh,
time?
baby, baby.
Daddy, like we ate it like together?
Oh yeah.
Ruby.
All right, go. Go sit down.
Yay, we have 2 forks. I've got 1 fork, right? But
Whoa.
Hold on, let me turn on the lights. Oh, there.
No, it's fine. It's perfect.
what the heck?
Thank you, Chloe.
You're
My
welcome.
talented niece. That is amazing. Wow. Look at the detail. Is that from my photo?
That's
Yeah.
yeah.
Get out of Dodge!
That's
It's
a,
even better.
That's